Good morning. Today, if you guys watched the last video where I did that picnic, y'all heard I said that somebody stole my bicycle. Yeah, somebody stole my damn bicycle, yo. And I'm still mad about that shit. So today, as y'all can see, I don't know if y'all noticed, but my ass is walking. You feel me? I'm walking to the goddamn gym. And I'm mad. But I'm walking to the gym and it's just like 2 miles. And it's goddamn spring and it feels kind of cold out here, right? But I'm walking to the gym. And I'm walking to the gym to go run. I don't know if that should even make no goddamn sense, but I'm walking to the gym to go run on the damn treadmill, right? So, yeah, it's kind of chilly out here. The damn wind is blowing and shit. So yeah, I'm walking to the gym to go run. The crazy thing is I feel like I'm going in reverse. Good morning, sir. How you doing? Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, so I'm walking to the gym to go run. My ass feel like my life is going in reverse right now. I'm tight. And if anybody that knows me knows that Raymond Kelly runs when his ass is depressed and stressed out, right? So I'm walking to the gym to go run, because when I run, that shit helps me. My mind clears and I think about shit, right? So, I don't know what the hell I'm talking about, basically. But this is a 2-mile walk, and I'm mad. And I'm tight. And good thing I had the camera in my bag so I can talk about this. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Yeah, so good thing I had the camera in my bag so I could talk about this, right? But yeah, I'm about to go to the gym and run. That's all I gotta say. My damn earphone falling out because the damn prongs on it that's supposed to hook on my ears broke. Them something I get from my nerves. But yeah, when I get to the gym, I don't know. I don't know if I'm bugging, but this block look nice as hell, right? The colors and shit and that church look good, right? So, if there's one thing I notice in life and I realize in life, when you feeling down, ain't nobody gonna make you feel up but your damn self, you feel me? If you feel down, don't expect nobody or rely upon nobody to make you feel up. You have to make yourself feel up. So if you walk past a tree, and that tree look good, you see me? You have to look point and say, John, that tree look good, nature look good, life is beautiful, you know? And make yourself feel up, make yourself feel good. I'm so reach at gym. A long time I walk now. I kind of feel bored and tired. I have music I play over and over and years, but I'm so reach now. That's the gym right there. Finally reached, right? I just got done running. Good ass run. I haven't gone home. That was a good ass run, right? But I thought I was gonna leave after I finished running, but finna do some workouts. And peep this top that I got on. This shit is nice as hell. I forgot where I got it, but this shit is good as hell. Keep me cool. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I did a mile and a half though. I didn't do my best, so I did shit in 15 minutes, but that's life. I'm about to work out, guys. I just left the gym after like 2 hours, right? I didn't expect to stay that long, to be honest. But it was a good ass workout, yo. And I don't feel as how I was feeling before I came, you know. I feel a whole lot better and I'm feeling good. But other than the fact that my ass gotta be walking home, I should still getting on my nerves. But you know, that's life. My hands are tired, my legs are tired, and my ass gotta walk this 2 miles home. Y'all niggas really saw my bicycle and that dead ass got me tired. I'm mad. Fuck y'all, but that's life, you know. Frig it, walk. If I gotta walk, I gotta walk. That's life. I ain't gonna complain no more. But that's about the end of this video. A little simple thing. Just want to document this little part of my life. It's a little vlog, you know. Drop a sub, drop a like, comment. Let me know what you think. I'm about to enjoy my walk home, to be honest.